Hey guys, it's my Super Stash, and as you can see, I'm using both hands. I'm just holding it. See, guys? So yeah, I'm using the tripod, and I'm using this thing that I got for Christmas too. So let's play Angry Birds. I just thought we could start off with Angry Birds because I really did like this. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I know what happens. They steal the eggs, boom. Yes, we did it, guys. We destroyed the pig. Let's go. Oh, cool. Double destroy. Oh, that was just one. I gotta turn this off to light. I gotta stop looking directly at it. No ads. It's not skipping. There. Dang, I should shoot higher. No, it's Logan C. So yeah, it's Christmas Day. No, that's not fair. Oh, yay! Yes. You want to score with him? I don't want it. Using both hands. See ya. Done. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to hit lower. Yes, guys, we did it. So yeah, since now I have the tripod and we'll fall. No. Yes, guys, we did it. I'm gonna try to hit higher. No, I don't care. Just play. Oh yes, that means I think 1,000. Oh, I got 10,000 more. Oh, hey, it's not. Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm playing with the tripod. Yeah, playing Angry Birds.
You got it working?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, this is new. Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Bye. No. Dang it, nothing. Ish. Hit him, and I died. Yes. He's like, boop. He's like, boop. Destroy. Yes, guys, we did it. Guys, I'm playing on the new tablet. Obviously, because, like, you see it's, like, different. It's not really that. No. Go higher. And nothing. Oh. Hey, that's it. Oh, we lost. We lost. We lost. Guys, we lost. Until he dies. We lost. Die! Thank you. Nah, I'm not really gonna do that. Seriously. How is he not dead? Dang it, that was a waste. Dang it. That was a fail. Luigi, stop scratching my door. Yeah, obviously, guys, this is a new one because, like, it doesn't say Samsung right here. And, like, it has, like, a different thing down here. It's, like, different. And it's bigger. No, I don't care. I don't care. I don't want it. I don't care how much I got. I just want to win. Oh my guys, oh my gosh, guys, that was really good. Now let's get this one. Oh yes, I destroyed him. What? I'm doing a Let's Play. And guys, this is like the first Let's Play ever I'm doing with the tripod, because like, it's really cool. It's like a small little tripod. Thank you. Wait, he's not dead. Okay, there. Because now I can accept my fate of losing. Wait, and boom! Now, so yeah, guys, playing Five Nights at Freddy's will be easier. We are terrible at this game. And nothing. Yes, guys, we finally did it. Yes. So, guys, do you think this is, like, better so then, like, I know what to do? You're kidding me! You didn't die right there? What does it take for him to die? God. Sorry I'm saying die, but like, this is a game about like killing pigs, kind of. and getting your pet. I don't care about the stupid game ad. Don't care about it. I don't care about Clash of Clans. Yes, guys, I know what that is. I've played this, and it's boring. So yeah, guys, today's Christmas. I'm really happy. Finally! Kill him! Destroyed! Oh, at 34. No. Tell me what you doing outside. Guys, we're on a roll today. Now! I would have been saved points. Man. Yes, I did. This is definitely just them. No, it's not just them. Restart. Just restart. Yes, guys, we did it. Restart, and I'm dead. Darn it, guys. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for now. Oh, wait, no, wait. We're gonna see if we could do it one more time. Wait, what level are we on? Okay, we're on level 13. We're actually doing like really good. Dang it. Okay, guys, that was Angry Birds. That was Angry Birds. I'm gonna be doing more. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.